Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday and happy Christmas week. This is Carly from cookingwithcarly.com, and we are doing our Crumbl taste test, which today we've got 5 cookies. So before we get going, I want to remind you, comment below, let me know which of these cookies are your favorite, which one you'd like a copycat recipe for. I make 1, 2, sometimes 3 every single week. So from last week, what did I do last week? Oh, the turtle cookie. It is on my website and it is so good. This is a brand new like brownie based cookie recipe that is like so good. It is to die for. So that is there. I'll leave that in the description below. And is there anything else? I don't think so. So we've got, this is our Christmas lineup for Crumbl. And to say the reactions from people on the interwebs, Facebook groups, Reddit, things like that, not great. People are kind of underwhelmed with this lineup, which I have some thoughts on it. We'll get into it, but let's just go over these cookies first off. Let's start with this little box here. So we have the peppermint bark cookie. So it is a chocolate cookie. There is white chocolate on top with some little peppermint pieces, served warm. And then over here, we've got the lemon bar cookie. So it's a lemon sugar cookie. It's chilled with like a lemon bar topping on it. This is the one that I feel like I have the most like gripe with, because lemon to me screams like spring. It is Easter. It is flowers blooming. It is not Christmas. I don't know. Maybe people have lemon bars for Christmas. I don't. I never have. So that one's kind of like off the wall to me for the Christmas menu. Next is the sticky bun. So this is like a brown sugar cookie. I'm interested if this is going to be similar to the maple cinnamon roll, like the cookie base. There's cinnamon roll filling inside. This is a butterscotch caramel topping with some candied pecans of some sort on there. This is a ginger snap cookie. So it's like molasses, ginger, spicy. And then it has like sugar crystals. There's sprinkles. It's just like the white sprinkles like coated on the outsides of it. And then last but not least, this is the birthday cake cookie, which Crumbl has changed. I feel like I need to have like breaking news music. This is breaking news, people. Usually the birthday cake cookie is cake batter flavored cookie with a cake batter cream cheese topping. No. They did vanilla cream cheese frosting this time, which can I tell you that this is exactly the pink velvet cookie. The pink velvet cookie is a cake batter sugar cookie base that they dye pink with a vanilla cream cheese frosting. This is pink velvet, but it just looks Christmassy. So if you like pink velvet, get yourself this because it'll taste the exact same. Okay, let's go for the taste test. All right, let's go for the taste test. Let's start with this peppermint bark one, which I don't know if you can see. The white chocolate has like kind of gone speckly and weird. Oh, I think this is a peppermint infused chocolate cookie actually. So like there's peppermint flavoring in the chocolate cookie. Super thick. Let's give it a taste. It's good. Very thick, very rich. I could almost use a little bit more peppermint, like on top. I'm not the biggest fan of the melted white chocolate on there. I mean, it probably makes it look nicer. I'd almost rather have white chocolate chips throughout the cookie. with the peppermint pieces on top, which, let me give you all a hint if you're baking this holiday season, and anybody listening in, don't use candy cane pieces. They're crunchy, they like stick in your teeth weird, you know. Oh my heavens. Oh my heavens. You know those Bob's Sweet Stripe mints, peppermints? They're like circle and they're soft, you can like chew them. Break those up, use those. You can bake them into cookies. You can put them on top and bake them onto cookies, and they don't break your teeth and they don't stick into your teeth. They just kind of break apart. Use those. Okay, that is my rant for that cookie. Overall though, really good cookie. I like the peppermint flavoring inside the cookie. I feel like it could use a little bit more peppermint, but I am a big chocolate peppermint fan. All right, let's do this ginger snap cookie. Definitely thick, soft, chewy. It's not like the muffin texture like we got last week with the gingerbread. Soft and chewy. I really like the crunch of the like the sugar. It's the sprinkles. That's really good. I'm not usually a gingerbread or ginger snap fan, but I actually like that. This is a good Christmas cookie. Smells like Christmas, tastes like Christmas. Very well executed. I'm a fan of that. If you like gingerbread, ginger snap, those those Christmas flavors, this will be a home run. That's a great cookie. And I feel like it fits in with the Christmas theme really, really well. Okay, let's do this sticky bun. Break this guy in half. So we've got that filling in there for sure. I'm interested to see how this one tastes because I feel like these flavors scream more like Thanksgiving fall flavors than Christmas to me. We'll give it a go though. Definitely taste the butterscotch, caramel, cinnamon. That's a very good cookie. It reminds me a lot of that maple cinnamon roll cookie that we had. The topping is just different. So instead of that maple glaze, got caramel, butterscotch, cinnamon, the pecans on top. It's a great solid cookie. Nice, soft, chewy, warm. Checks all the boxes really. I think it seems more like fall Thanksgiving to me than Christmas, but solid cookie. I don't really have any constructive criticism for it. I feel like the flavors are very well balanced. It's very, the cookie itself is not overly sweet, so the caramel doesn't like make it too sweet, if that makes sense. It's very well balanced. So thumbs up on that one. All right, let's see if this really does taste like the pink velvet cookie, because it's, if it is what is advertised and this really is vanilla cream cheese frosting, then that's the pink velvet. Yeah, there's no cake batter in that. It's usually cake batter cream cheese frosting. Interesting. Here we go. This is pink velvet. But Christmas version. Cake batter cookie, nice crispy on the outside, like the buttery crispy. Soft, chewy on the inside, great, perfect cake batter flavoring. I love the vanilla frosting with it, actually a little bit more than the cake batter cream cheese frosting, because then I feel like the vanilla and the cake batter like balance each other out to give this really nice, almost like cupcake type flavor. versus just really overpowering on the cake batter flavoring. So I love that cookie. That one's probably my favorite so far. Yeah, for sure. That's the favorite. And honestly, this ginger snap is probably second, which surprises me. Okay, last but not least, the lemon bar, which early reviews, oh wow, that's falling apart, are not great. I've been looking at what other people have been saying about it, so I'm interested to see. Okay, it smells sweet and lemony, not tangy. That's what I'm gonna guess. It's good. It's not overpowering lemon. It's not, you know, like with the key lime, how there's like a kick of lime with the key lime and there's like some lime zest in there. That's not this cookie at all. It's a very sweet lemon. There's some powdered sugar on there too, it looks like. I'm going to try to just get some of the cookie to see if the cookie itself has the lemon flavor. A hint, not much. So the topping itself is almost like a lemon curd type topping. Definitely want to keep it chilled, but overall, it's not bad. Not bad, not amazing. I feel like I would like vibe with it more if it was in the springtime and not Christmas. I've actually been thinking a lot about if I were to pick a Christmas lineup, what it would be, or like which ones I would add to take away from like the sticky bun and the lemon one, because they just don't scream Christmas to me. I would do a crinkle cookie. Oh boy, I have a tired little girl. I would do a chocolate crinkle cookie, and then like a peanut butter blossom cookie, right? The peanut butter cookie that has like the kiss on top, but you know, the kisses are small, obviously. So just do like a peanut butter cookie and then do a big dollop of chocolate, like the fudge frosting. That would be so good. Missed opportunity. That's all I have to say. But anyway, so overall, I think my favorite of the week was the cake batter. I really did like the sticky bun. I know I'm being a little harsh just because it's Christmas, dang it. And it doesn't feel like Christmas to me. But that one was also really good. I actually like that one better than the ginger snap, but the ginger snap just seems more Christmassy to me. Lemon down there. And this one actually, it's probably about tied with the lemon, honestly. I just feel like there's nothing like mega special about it. If you like chocolate and peppermint, you'll like it. I feel like it's pretty average cookie, however. It's just my personal opinion. So let me know in the comments below what cookie you would add to the lineup, what cookie you were hoping to see in this lineup, what your favorite was, which one you want me to recreate. Sticky bun's probably gonna have to be on there eventually because it's just good. And another week with 0 regular sugar, like the chilled sugars. This is 4 weeks in a row, people. So if you were hoping for that one and need it, but they don't have it, just make mine. They're great. I'll leave the link to the recipe in the description below. You can make those. Any other Christmas holiday baking needs, just visit my website, cookingwithcarly.com. I got your back. And I think that's it, you guys. I hope you all have a very, very Merry Christmas, and I will see you back here next Monday for another taste test. See you later.